Hello friends, welcome to my AI channel. I am Dr. Bill Morgan with AI Channel. Today I'll share with you some ready-to-use prompts for generating trending AI photos. You can use these in Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E. Let me generate one-by-one AI image for you. First prompt, futuristic teacher education theme. An ultra-realistic portrait of a wise futuristic teacher, styled like Einstein, standing in a cyberpunk classroom. Imagine a holographic blackboard glowing with equations, neon glasses, and cinematic lighting in 8K quality.
Wow. It's amazing. What a realistic image. This is the magic of AI.
Next, prompt AI business leader. A hyper-realistic photo of an AI-powered CEO giving a speech on stage. The background is filled with holographic charts and futuristic skyscrapers, all under a cinematic spotlight. Sharp suit, ultra-detailed, and 8K resolution.
Wow. It's amazing.
Now, third prompt. Fantasy world creative theme. Picture an epic floating city in the clouds, golden temples glowing with crystals, futuristic airships flying through surreal dreamlike colors, a cinematic landscape in ultra-detailed 8K artwork.
Wow. It's amazing. What a realistic image. This is the magic of AI.
Finally, the last prompt, viral portrait social media theme. A close-up, hyper-realistic portrait of a young influencer with glowing cyberpunk tattoos. The neon background, cinematic light, and sharp details give it the perfect Instagram trending vibe, again in ultra-detailed 8K.
Wow. It's amazing. What a realistic image. This is the magic of AI.
And here are some pro tips. For Midjourney, add aspect ratio 16:9, version 6, and quality 2 for widescreen and better results. For DALL-E, just paste the text prompt directly. And for Stable Diffusion, add keywords like masterpiece, ultra-detailed, trending on ArtStation, and 8K to improve the quality. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more information about AI tools. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.